Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on the show status icon on the Signal app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main chat screen, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on it to access your account settings and various privacy controls. After tapping your profile picture, you'll be taken to your settings menu. From here, tap on Privacy. This section contains all of Signal's privacy and security features, giving you control over how your information is displayed and shared within the app. It's where you can customize various aspects of your Signal experience to match your preferences. Next, scroll down through the privacy settings until you find the Advanced option and tap on it. This section houses more technical and detailed settings that give you deeper control over how Signal operates. These advanced features are designed for users who want to fine-tune their privacy and messaging experience beyond the basic settings. Now look for the Show Status icon option within the advanced settings. Once you locate it, you'll see a toggle switch right beside it. Tap this toggle switch to enable or turn it on. This feature is quite useful as it shows an indicator that can reveal certain activity or status information. By enabling this option, you're allowing Signal to display visual cues about your app activity, which can help you and others understand when certain actions or statuses are active. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Show Status icon feature on your Signal app, giving you more visibility into your activity status. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.